districts. I want to confirm that so far no election, because as leaders of FPC, we are telling our colleagues that there is a problem. And you can see it. Actually, we are expecting our vice chairperson from the Northern Region to join us, and the deputy president. So, if everyone from the NEC, the National Executive Committee, one of the highest bodies representing this party, FPC, is telling you that there is something wrong, why do you continue? So, members from my region, I call upon you to resist this election until we told you to do so. And on Monday, we are coming. I'm leading a team, Western Uganda, to confirm to them. And I can tell you almost 99.9% from my region are willing to participate in this election. We are going to tell them after we have read this election. And we don't expect them to follow what those people from Adam are telling you. I thank you.